Shady 10, turn right, Bravo 4 if you can, please, and taxi via Bravo. Traffic's a Lear, 1 mile final.
We'll get off at Bravo 4, Shady 10.
I'll save the juice for the approach here. Alright, let me give him a call. One second there.
Shady 10 is off at Bravo 4.
Shady 10, thank you. Bravo 4, Bravo with me.
Bravo 4, Bravo, we'll stay with you, Shady 10.
Republic Tower, good afternoon. Warrior 8149 Romeo over Captree inbound, full stop with Oscar.
Check 8149 Romeo, Pub Tower, left downwind, runway 19er.
Left downwind for runway 19er, Warrior 49er Romeo. And let me know if you need any flaps or anything.
Okay. We're in the wide arc, give me flap 10, please.
Okay. Flap 10 coming up.
Republic Tower, helicopter 2614 Delta, Golf 6 for a southeast departure.
Helicopter 2614 Delta, Republic Tower, southeastbound is approved at or below 600 feet and east of runway 19 at all times. Wind 22016, Golf 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Golf 6 at or below 600 and east of 19 at all times, 2614 Delta.
Make my left base.
Okay, so landing lights are on, autopilot's off, seat belts, mixture is rich, carburetor heat as required. And fuel, we'll keep it on the burn. And we got flaps coming in on another notch.
Yep, give me 20. I'll pull the power back some.
It's getting bumpy.
Yep.
And you clear on the right.
Okay. Going on approach. No one flying the opposite direction. 800 feet. 600 feet per minute descent. In a little. Okay, I'm high. Power back.
Republic Tower, Warrior 152 Delta Charlie, runway 19er Bravo.
Warrior 152 Delta Charlie, Pub Tower, hold short, runway 19er.
Holding short, runway 19er Bravo.
45 Delta Echo, extend down on Aquaria base.
Send down when you'll call in 95 Delta Echo.
500 feet. And it looks like 19er. Like a 1 and 400 feet.
Alright, you got red over white on the Vassie.
Right over right.
I'm going to show you something when you land.
Okay.
Warrior 2 Delta Charlie, runway 19er, line from weight, traffic right downwind. Line up and wait, Charlie, runway 19er, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 2 Delta Charlie.
Check 5 Delta Echo, you're wide in the downwind, tighten it up.
No problem, tighten it up, 95 Delta Echo.
Rudder. Go.
Cherokee 49 Romeo, ready park.
Line to ramp, 49 Romeo.
Cherokee 49 Romeo, turn right on Alpha, Bravo with me.
Alpha, Bravo with you, 49 Romeo.
Flaps down.
Fuel pumps are coming off.
Warrior 2 Delta Charlie, doesn't look like we will squeeze in a touch and go before we close up here, state intentions.
We'll depart to the southeast, 2 Delta Charlie.
Roger. Check 5 Delta Echo, turn base.
Turn base, 95 Delta
Open
Echo.
the door there, please.
Warrior 2 Delta Charlie,
I'll show you
southeast
something in a
approved
minute.
with
I just want you to
190
get
at
off.
14, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 Delta Charlie.
Take a look at the
Basic
door.
descend, he's joined the downwind extend, I'll call you base.
You got my basic descent?
Alright,
Who's
clear
next for
active.
departure?
Yep.
Okay.
I guess I didn't close that properly.
Ready to go?
Okay. Lights are off.
Cherokee 43158, Republic Tower, left turn to the north is approved, wind is 190 at 16, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.